Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by enabling the shortest path to voice control. Connect the Google TV to Wi-Fi and sign into the Google account. Once done, press and hold the remote mic or the assistant button to open voice input. This kicks off the microphone session. Make sure to accept microphone and voice match permissions when the screen asks, because without permissions, Google TV can't hear you. If you see a software update notice, finish the update first. That prevents permission glitches and gives you the latest voice features. Now configure voice match so Google TV recognizes you and delivers personalized results. Open Settings, go to Accounts and Sign In, and select Voice Match. Then follow the prompts to say several short phrases so the model learns your voice. You should repeat each phrase clearly and at natural volume. This improves accuracy. If others use the TV, add their voices too, because separating users avoids mixed recommendations. Also pick the preferred language and review privacy controls, so you know what data is stored. Finish by practicing common commands. Say, "Hey Google, play Stranger Things on Netflix," or "Turn up volume 15%. You'll learn which phrases trigger apps reliably. Shorter verbs work best. If voice stops responding, restart the TV and remote, confirm microphone permissions, and install pending updates. These steps fix most issues. If problems persist, test the mic with a voice recorder app to determine whether the remote or TV mic is failing, and reset voice match as a last step to rebuild the voice model.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.